This is Lalita. In previous class already I explained proofs of irrationals. Okay. Now I will continue the related sums. Prove 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. We have to prove 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Okay. Let us assume it is a rational. How we completed the proof of root 5, root 3, root 2. Like that only here also we have to assume it is a rational. Let us assume 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational. Is rational. Rational means what? Which is in the form of A by B. So, 3 plus 2 root 5 is equal to A by B. Okay. 3 plus 2 root 5 is equal to A by B. So, root 5 term B that side. Remaining all the terms we have to transpose to opposite side. What is root 5 term? That is 2 root 5 is equal to A by B. Here plus 3 transpose to opposite side become as negative 3. Denominator can take it as 1. So 2 root 5 is equal to, between the fractions or rational numbers, do you have any plus or negative symbols? How to find the LCM? Made them denominators are same. So here what is the LCM? Here you observe only B. So can go to the cross product. A times 1 it's A. 3 times B is 3B. Okay. Here I want only root 5. With the root 5 which number are you observing here? It's 2. What operation is going on between these two? It's product. When you transpose it to opposite side, it becomes as division. So in denominator you have to write. So here you got root 5 is in the form of numerator by denominator. What do you mean by numerator by denominator? That means it is rational. But already we proved. What we proved? Root 5 is irrational. But what we are getting here? It is rational. Is it possible? No, not at all. That means what we assumed is completely wrong. That means 3 plus 2 root 5 is not rational. It is irrational. We know root 5 is irrational. But here we got root 5 is rational, which contradicts our assumption. Which contradicts our assumption. What is our assumption? Our assumption is 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational, which is wrong. So 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Okay, 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Like that question, surely you will get it in board exams. Okay, I already explained. I hope you are clear. One or two as a homework you can try. You will try. Prove 6 plus root 2 is irrational. 6 plus root 2 is irrational. You will try. Why? Because what I explained in the class, that surely this question only will get it in exam. That surety is not there. So related to that method, any of the question he will give. So you have to learn all the questions related to these one. I explained 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. You have to prove 1 by root 2 is irrational. You have to learn 7 root 5 is irrational. You need to learn 6 plus root 2 is irrational. These all are same methods only. Did you understand? So, learn this question perfectly. I hope you are clear. Already we proved root 5 is irrational. Basing on that continuation, you have to move this question. But most of the times 2 or 3 more questions they will ask like this one. Okay. Next. Did you learn the proofs of root 5 perfectly? Yeah. That is surely essay question. Either root 2 or root 3. Otherwise root 5. Surely they will ask like that questions. Okay. Next one is check whether 6 power n can end with the digit 0 for any natural number n. 6 power n. 6 power n can end with the digit 0. Can end with the digit 0 for any natural number. It is his question. First, how can you write 6? Yeah, product of prime numbers. You can write 2 into 3 whole power n. Okay. What are the prime factors of 6? Prime factors of 6 is equal to 2 and 3. Okay. Here prime factors of 6 are 2 and 3. To end with 0. Do we end with 0? Prime factors must be 2 and 5. But here we have 2 and 3. So 6 power n cannot end with digit 0. Understand? If you want any example means n is natural, he said. As an example, n place I substituted 1. 6 power 1, 6. n place I substituted 2. 6 square, 36. n place I substituted 3. 6 cube, 216. What is the unit digit? Unit digit is 6. But what is his question? Here, unit digit will end with the digit 0. No, it is sure. But don't write only this one. It is just example only. You have to write it. Prime factors of the particular number must be 2 and 5. If prime factors are 2 and 5, then only unit digit end with the digit 0. That means multiples of 10. Multiples of 10. Okay, 2 into 10, 3 into 10, 10 power 1, 10 square, 10 cube. For that numbers, you will get unit digit as 0. But come to here we have the prime factors are 2 and 3. So, it doesn't end with the digit 0. Clear? I hope you understand. Prime factors are 2 and 5. Then only that particular number is end with digit 0. Now my question related to this one. Can 8 power n end with digit 0? First you have to write prime factors of 8. In that, do you have prime factors are 2 and 5? Then can end with the digit 0. Otherwise, no, it doesn't end with digit 0. 8 unit place. Okay. Next question. This question also important. As a 2-mark question, they will give maybe as a prime factors. What are the prime factors will be in unit digit end with the digit 0. As a blanks also maybe they will ask. So keep in your mind. Next question. Explain 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13. Explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 or composite number? Is it composite number? How would you define composite number? What is the definition of composite number? Already yesterday I explained prime number. What are prime numbers? Only one and itself are the factors. Then we will say they are prime numbers. Come to the composite number. More than two factors. More than two factors. Not only one and itself. More than at least one extra factor is there. Then we can conclude that is composite number. Okay. Here we have to prove it is composite number. How can we prove? See here. Plus before 3 numbers, plus after 13 is there. Okay. Plus before, plus after. Plus or minus divides the numbers. Divides the terms. Into division. Clubbing, combining the terms, plus or minus divides, into or quotient, close, come together. Okay, here did you observe any common number? Here two brackets you observed. In these two brackets, did you observe any common number? Yes, we observed 13. 13 is in first bracket and second bracket also. Okay, take 13 as a common factor. What is left in the first bracket? 7 into 11 plus already 13 as a common factor we wrote outside. Then here, what can I write here? Can I write 0? No. How many times of 13 you will get 13? 13 ones are 13. So you have to write 1 here. We can't write 0. 13 ones are 13. So here 13, 7 times 11 is 77, plus here 1, so 13 into 78. 13 into 78. By multiplying these two, you will get one answer. Okay, you will get one answer. For that, here very clear, so here two factors we observed. For these number, 13 is a factor, 78 is also a factor. Multiply these two. 78 13s. 8 3s are 24. 7 3s 21 plus 2, 23. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 7 is 7. 4, 11, 10. So, 1014. What are factors of 1014? 1014. Here we have so many factors. 1 is a factor, itself is a factor, and unit digit you observe 2. So 2 is a factor. How many times of 2 you will get? 5, 0, 7. Okay, and the next sum of digits 1 plus 1 plus 4 is 6. So 6 is divisible by 3. So 3 table have this number. 3. How many times 3 3s are? 9. 1 is remainder. 1 after 1 11. 3 3s are 9. 2 is remainder. 2 after 4 24. 3 8s are. Like that we have so many factors. And 13 and 78 here already we observed. Okay. Is it composite number? Yes or no? Yes, it is composite number. How you concluded it is composite number? Why? Because it has more than two factors. So, given number is composite number. Composite number means more than two factors. Prime number means only one and itself are the factors. Understand? Related to these two, one sum I will give as a homework you will try. That is 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5. Is it composite? Is it composite? Okay. Is it composite? You have to try. So today I explained 3 models. 3 plus 2 root 5. Is it rational or not? Proof of 3 plus 2 root 5. That is important. 6 power n can end with the digit 0. Okay, that is also important. And the third one, given numbers, are they composites or not? You have to prove more than 2 factors. More than 2 factors. 2 factors, every number has 2 factors. Every number has 2 factors except 1. So at least one more factor it has. Then you can conclude that composite number. Okay, I explained 3 sums related to that 3 as homework I given here. Okay, you can try. Did you get the answers or not? You'll comment to me. Okay, thank you.